Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to install VirtualBox. So let's start. First of all, open the Chrome browser and type the VirtualBox download on Google. Okay, the first link will appear. Click on first link and open the site. Okay, click the first site. Okay, and this is the VirtualBox official site. So just Windows host, for Windows host, because I am going to install on Windows system. So just click on Windows host and it will going to download the setup. Okay, so just click it and I'll click it and it going to download. Okay, I'm just going to say close. Okay, because I already have the installer. Okay, I already have the installer, so I just double click on installer. You can just double click on installer or right click and open it. So I just go to double click. Okay, when I double click the installer, it will ask you to permission. Okay, so just say yes and wait for some moments. It will going to be appear. Okay, so now the wizard is coming and you can see and just say click on next, and now you can see this is the agreement. You have to just accept the agreement and click on next and accept, leave it by default and then next. It will warning you that it will going to some changes, it will going to make some changes in your network interface. So just accept yes, and the dependencies yes. Okay, so this is some shortcuts, so I say next and just click install. Okay, when you click install, it will take 1 or 2 minutes, so just wait patiently and it will going to finish it soon. Okay, now you can see the setup is already installed. Okay, so just finish it and I do not want to start the software, so I just uncheck it and finish it. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay.